Hello guys, Master Crown FX here. I'm back at your faces with some amazing Forex educational videos, and I'm here to teach you and to show you on market structure. This is a master class on market structure. And market structure is the bony framework of the market, as the bones, the skeleton that we have makes us being able to walk, being able to sit, being able to move and do things. That's how the market structure enables us as traders to do the market transaction, which is to buy and to sell. And if you are seeing this channel, if you are meeting me for the first time, you are meeting the Master Crown FX for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like the video, comment, and share the video. And without any further ado, let's get started on today's business, which is market structure. I will be analyzing the market structure starting with Euro USD being the most traded currency pairs. I will be analyzing it, and I will be doing other currency pairs as well. So starting with the Euro USD, as you can see my screen, this all the objects you have seen here, the zones here, are being drawn in our previous video. So if you have not watched that video, you can go back and watch that video, which I did to show and to give a clue on how to draw supply and demand, or support and resistance zones, and the major trend lines, not the major trend lines. So just one or two trend lines on the monthly time frame or weekly time frame. You can get other minor trend lines on the daily, on the 4 hourly time frame. We will do that some other time, but for today and for now, we are focusing on this. So right about our video, we will be using to explain the market structure. We'll be using the parts to explain the market structure, and we will have we'll be digesting the market structure that's here. So we'll start from the monthly time frame. So if you are looking at market structure, don't just go down to the weekly or daily or 4 hourly. Come to a more higher time frame, like the monthly time frame, and look at the flow of the market, how the market is formed, how the structure is. Then once you can decode and once you can know where the market is flowing towards, then you can be able to trade it. And from here, you can see it has been buying down, from here. It bought, came here. Okay, I'm coming. Let me get it again. So it has been buying from here. It bought, came here, came down, bought up, came back this place, came up, back up, came back down, came here, then down. This is the structure. This is the market structure. This is the structure. This is the structure that is being formed. So once you are being able to pick this structure, you won't have trouble trading. You won't have trouble trading. So price now is at this level. So you can see price has been giving us highs, lows, highs, lows. So from here, we've seen price came consolidated for quite some months, then went up. It gave a high, then down a low, then a what? A high, then a low, a high, then a low, then a high. But you can see that this high is higher than this high. So this high is what? Is a high, but it's low. So this is a higher low. But these lows, and these lows are presumed, for me, I see it to be equal lows. So it is equal lows, equal lows. This is equal highs, but it's a higher low than this. It's a higher low than this. Then from here, it gave a higher low again. Then gave a lower low. It gave a lower low. So this is the first lower low than this. A lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, being three equal lows. Then it broke here, came back to retest this zone. It came back to retest this zone. Then came back to this, then went up to retest, came down, went back, now is at this previous uh, lows. So you can see that this is the structure. This is the normal market structure. This is the normal market structure. This is the normal market structure. You can see price respecting. You can see price respecting it. You can see price respecting it. So you can see it. This is the normal market structure. You can even get a trend line. The trend line with you. You can even have it. You can have a trend line from that level. Yeah, this was the trend line we drew. So this is the market structure. So from this, it has already showed us that this is a sell market, even though price is back here. So this is a place where most traders, if you don't know what, and you are not to advance in the market, you have to wait. You have to wait, because this is a critical place. Price can go back to the trend line before going down, or even breaking up the trend line to give a change in trend. So this is the typical trend for a sell or for a bearish market. This is on the monthly. So anything you are looking at or looking out for on the lower time frame, you'll be looking out for those things in the direction of the monthly time frame. Now the direction is a bearish direction. It's a bearish trend. So this is the structure of EU on the monthly time frame. I can get rid of this. On the monthly time frame, so you can see it's as easy as that. The market structure is as easy as that. So that's the market structure on the monthly time frame. That's the market structure on the monthly time frame. And please, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. I said high lows. This is a lower high, because it's on the sell trend is lower lows and lower highs. So this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low to this. And you can see they are in they are corresponding with the zones that we drew in the former video. So that's for the monthly time frame. You can come to the weekly time frame. So what happens on the weekly and on the daily is basically, I would say, structure forming inside of structure. So like this uh, move from here, let me have it like this move from here to here and from here to here. You can see you can see that you can see that this is just a move on the higher time frame from here to here. It's one here to here. We are seeing it as just a movement, and that's how we prefer to trade, from moves to moves, from moves to moves. There is this popular saying in trading that you should buy low and you should sell high. It's this concept. So you sell high, you buy low. You sell high, you buy low. But this is not lower than this. So the major structure hasn't been broken yet. The major structure hasn't been broken yet, and we've not gotten sufficient uh, confluences that will give us a pull or a reversal in the market. The market is closed for now, and we are waiting for market open to make more decisions towards as regards that. So you can see on the weekly time frame, there there is also structure inside of structure. You see the you see sell, you see lower highs here, lower lows here, lower highs here, lower lows here, lower highs here, lower lows here, lower highs here, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is structure in one sell market. This is a structure in one bearish trend, in a bearish trend. So you can see it going down. So once we go down to the daily and to the 4-hourly, that's the same thing. And we enter this our uh, prefer point of interest where we would want to enter for sell. We don't so you enter, so you sell at the high, you buy at the low. You sell at the high, you buy at the low. Same thing for this bullish uh, correction here that I gave. So you can see it from here. It bought, sell, buy, sell, buy. So this move here broke this low, broke broke this low. So usually once it breaks the low, it will go back. We'll use our pips and get a reversal point where it will come repaste, then it continues down. That's why my overall trend still for Euro USD is still a bearish trend. It's still a bearish market. So it's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. It's as straightforward as that. It's as straightforward as that. It's as straightforward as that. You can see it on a daily time frame. You can see it's still forming the structure, still forming the lows, high, lows, high. So once you go down to a lower time frame, you can see structure inside of the structure again. You can see structure inside of the structure. I think, let me go to cable GBP and explain same as the monthly time frame and explain same. So you see GBP has kind of a little bit different structure. So why we are different and why we work different from other people is because our structures is different, our makeup is different, what we are made up of is different. So it is as same as that. It's as same as that. So you can see another. So structure can be buy, sell, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, going up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, forming a buy trend or lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, forming a sell trend or sideways movement. So consolidation or uh, accumulation or whatever you might want to call it, or distribution, any whatever you might want to call it, it can stay at the same place given sideways. So it will be more of equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows. It is also a market structure. So we have three market structure. We have this buy trend, the sell trend, and we have the uh, consolidated trend or consolidation where it moves sideways, sideways trend, sideways trend, sideways. So for this, I would like to start from here. It gave a major sell, came back, sell, back up, then it sell, then this might be a pattern, a W pattern, then back, all of this. Let me just wrap it here like this, like this, here, then down, and back, and price is here now. So you can see this is you can see this is where I started the market structure from. From this high, it gave a low sell, then it gave a lower high, then it gave a what? It gave a low, then it gave a higher low than this. It gave a higher low than this, then a higher high, higher low, then higher highs, which is apparently equal highs with this. Then it gave a lower low than this, then a lower high, lower low, which is equal lows with this coming up. So you can see this is the principle behind our support and resistance zone that we drew, and how the market structure is playing around those levels. You can see that the market structure is playing around those levels. Coming down to your daily, let me explain the daily here, since I was not able to explain the daily on Euro USD. So on the daily, same thing. You can see a high after a long buy. It came to the zone, then gave a higher low, then it gave a equal highs with this, then it gave equal lows with this, then it gave a lower high, equal lows, lower high, then a lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high, then a lower low, lower high, then a lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows to this zone. So from this zone to this zone, it's basically market structures of the bearish trend, which is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows formation. That's how it works. That's how it flows. That's how the market flows. So you might have seen it on baby pigs or other books telling you this, but you are seeing it live and direct, and you can check and you can try it on your preferred currency pairs or any instruments or assets that you trade, and you will see that. And once you look out for this, you will be at a safer side of the market. You'll be at the safer side of the market. So that's that with Euro USD and GBP USD. That's that. Should I explain any? Okay, there's AUD USD has more of the, it's the same thing. You see, it's you can see the lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows formation. So this is the market structure. This is the market structure. And usually, let me get back to the Euro USD. You can see there is a way to get most of these lows and highs. They kind of fall on Fibonacci zones mostly, and I will do a video to show you how that most of them fall like this. You have your Fibonacci, put it, you see it turning at the zones, and there are particular levels of the zones that I have for my entries, and which is very good, and I will share it in the Fibonacci video. For now, I want to make this video very short. You can do that, and you can comment, and you can, if you want me to explain on any currency pairs, you can also write it down in the comment section. Do well to share the video. If you are new, subscribe, comment, share, like, and I think we are done for now. See you in the next video. Bye.